Welcome to Copenhagen, the charming capital of Denmark. This city is known for its beautiful architecture, vibrant culture, and perfect blend of historical and modern attractions. With its picturesque canals, world-famous landmarks, and innovative green initiatives, Copenhagen has something for everyone. Join me today and discover the best this incredible city has to offer. Today, we're starting our Copenhagen adventure in the iconic Nyhavn. This bustling waterfront district is one of the most picturesque spots in the city. The colorful 17th and 18th century townhouses line the canal, creating a postcard-perfect scene. Originally a busy commercial port, Nyhavn is now a lively hub for both tourists and locals. You can find an array of charming cafes, bars, and restaurants here, each offering a cozy spot to enjoy the view. Don't miss the chance to take a canal tour from here. It's a fantastic way to see the city from the water. Next up, we're in City Hall Square, the vibrant heart of Copenhagen. This busy square is surrounded by important landmarks, including the impressive City Hall building, which boasts a stunning blend of national romantic and Renaissance revival architectural styles. It's a lively and dynamic area that truly represents the spirit of Copenhagen. Now we explore Frederik's Church, also known as the Marble Church. This stunning Rococo church is famous for its massive dome, which is one of the largest in Europe. The church was originally designed in the 18th century, but was not completed until 1894 due to financial problems. Inside, the church is beautifully decorated with marble and features intricate frescoes and statues. You can climb to the top of the dome for a small fee, where you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Copenhagen. Frederik's Church is located in the elegant Frederiksstaden neighborhood near Amalienborg Palace, making it a perfect stop on your sightseeing tour. Our next station is Church of Our Saviour, one of Copenhagen's most famous and unique churches. The church is best known for its stunning spiral tower, which you can climb to enjoy incredible views of the city. The climb involves 400 steps, with the last 150 steps on the outside of the tower, so it's quite an adventure. Whether you're here for the views, the architecture, or the history, the Church of Our Saviour is a must-visit. Next, we're visiting the Carlsberg Glyptotek, a remarkable art museum founded by the Carlsberg brewery magnate, Carl Jacobsen. The museum houses an extensive collection of ancient and modern art, including Egyptian, Greek, and Roman sculptures, as well as works by famous artists like Rodin, Degas, and Gauguin. The Glyptotek is known for its impressive collection of French and Danish art, making it a paradise for art lovers. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions and events, providing fresh experiences for visitors. Next up is Rosenborg Castle, a stunning Renaissance palace built by King Christian IV in the early 1600s. This castle is not only an architectural masterpiece, but also houses the Danish crown jewels and royal regalia. Rosenborg Castle is surrounded by the King's Garden, a beautiful park that's perfect for a leisurely stroll. Now we're exploring Kastellet, one of the best preserved star fortresses in Northern Europe. Built in the 17th century, Kastellet is a historic military site that offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The star-shaped fortress is surrounded by a moat and features well-maintained grounds perfect for a leisurely walk. You can explore the old barracks, the church, and the iconic windmill within the complex. The fortress provides beautiful views of the surrounding area, and it's a great spot for a picnic or a relaxing afternoon. Kastellet is a unique blend of history, nature, and military architecture that's definitely worth a visit. Our final stop is Christiansborg Palace, a central piece of Denmark's political and royal heritage. This grand palace is the seat of the Danish Parliament, the Supreme Court, and the Prime Minister's office. Parts of Christiansborg are open to the public, offering a fascinating glimpse into Denmark's governance and history. The Great Hall, where state banquets are held, is especially impressive with its grand architecture and intricate details. One of the highlights of Christiansborg is the tower, which offers the highest viewpoint in Copenhagen. From here, you get a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. And there you have it, our top picks for the most incredible landmarks in Copenhagen. From the colorful charm of Nyhavn to the majestic splendor of Christiansborg Palace, each of these spots offers a unique glimpse into the heart of this beautiful city. Here are beautiful places that are also worth a visit. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I hope you get to experience the magic of Copenhagen for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time.